In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an ABS sensor on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Using a 22mm socket, remove the 6 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using an 18mm socket, remove the 2 caliper bracket bolts. Get them both loose before removing them. Remove the caliper. We're going to hang this on a hook so there's no tension on the brake line. Remove the rotor. Remove the connector from the bracket. We're going to remove the ABS connector. We're going to push up on that red tab. There's a black button right there. Push on that. Pull straight out and remove the connector. Remove the plastic stay from the bracket. Remove the plastic stay in the front bracket. Using a 6mm hex head, we're going to remove the bolt for the ABS sensor. Remove the ABS sensor. Install the ABS sensor through the back of the backing plate and into the wheel bearing. Make sure it's fully seated. Install the bolt. Torque the ABS bolt to 115 inch-pounds. Install the plastic stay to the bracket. Install the ABS connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked in. Close that red locking tab. Install the plastic stay on the connector to the bracket. Install the rotor, pull the caliper off the hook, install it around the rotor, install the caliper bracket bolts, snug the bolts down, torque the caliper bracket bolts to 170 foot-pounds. Remove the hook if you used one. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug the lug nuts down. Torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to 140 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.